Have you ever lost your cool and immediately regretted it? What if I told you there is a simple secret that can change your life, at work, at home, and even with strangers? All by doing one thing, not reacting? Stay with me because in the next 15 minutes, you'll learn how staying calm can give you control, respect, and peace, and you can start using it today. Welcome to our story, The Power of Not Reacting. This story is perfect for anyone who wants to improve English fluency, learn emotional control, and handle life's challenges calmly. We will explore real-life situations, simple solutions, and practical tips all in easy English. So get ready to learn, practice, and feel inspired. It was a bright Monday morning. Jack, a young office worker, walked to his job with a cup of warm coffee. He was excited about presenting a new project, but also a little nervous. When he reached his office, he noticed his colleague, Sarah, looking upset. Her hands shook and her voice was loud. "I can't believe this email from the manager," Sarah said. "It's so unfair." Jack felt his anger rising. He wanted to defend himself and argue. But then he remembered a simple lesson. The power is in not reacting immediately. He took a deep breath and said softly, "Let's read the email carefully. Maybe there's something useful here." Sarah was surprised. Slowly, she calmed down. Together, they read the email. Some parts were harsh, but others gave helpful advice. By staying calm, they could find solutions instead of getting angry. Remember, pausing before reacting gives you control and clarity. Later that day, Jack faced another challenge. A client called, furious about a mistake in his order. His voice was loud, full of anger. Normally, Jack would have argued. But he remembered the lesson. Not reacting gives you control. Jack listened carefully without interrupting. After the client finished, he said calmly, "I understand your frustration. Let's find a way to fix this together." The client was surprised. His anger softened. By the end of the call, the problem was solved. Jack felt proud. He realized staying calm can turn anger into cooperation. Whenever someone is angry with you, listen first, respond calmly, and avoid reacting impulsively. During the afternoon, Jack faced another test. His coworker, Mark, accused him of taking credit for an idea. Voices were raised and tension filled the room. Jack felt the urge to shout, but instead he took a deep breath. He said calmly, "I see why you are upset. Let's talk and clarify what happened." Mark stopped yelling, surprised by Jack's calm response. Soon the misunderstanding was resolved peacefully. Calm responses can resolve conflicts faster than arguments. Jack noticed that this lesson also helped him at home. His younger sister often complained about small problems. Before, Jack would get frustrated. Now, he listened patiently, offered gentle solutions, and avoided fights. Their relationship improved. Jack realized that the power of not reacting works everywhere at work, at home, and even in public. One weekend, Jack went to a cafe. A man in line yelled at the cashier because of a wrong order. Jack felt a rush of irritation but stayed calm. He politely said, "Excuse me, maybe we can explain the problem to the manager?" The man stopped yelling, surprised by Jack's calmness. Soon the issue was resolved peacefully. Jack realized staying calm can influence others positively, even strangers. Let's review what Jack learned. Emotions are natural, but reactions can cause problems. Pausing before responding gives clarity and control. Calm responses solve conflicts faster. Respect and trust grow when you stay calm. This skill works everywhere, work, home, and public spaces. Remember, every time you pause, breathe, and respond wisely, you're practicing the power of not reacting. Jack's life changed because he learned one simple secret. Staying calm gives you control, respect, and peace. He became more confident, solved problems faster, and even helped others feel calm. And the best part? You can do it too. The next time someone annoys you, take a deep breath, pause, and respond wisely. You will see the difference. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more stories that help you improve English fluency and learn life-changing lessons.